Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I kind of opened the box just slightly. It says it's an automatic selfie stick. So this is gonna be an automatic selfie stick. So let's check this out. It comes with the manual, comes with a charging cable for USB to USB-C, nice. And then here it is here, okay. Let's take it out. Okay, so we can see here, it comes with this, which is gonna be the remote. So this will be our remote trigger. So once we set up our selfie, we can push the button to take our picture with that. That's kind of cool. And then here you can charge it with the USB-C. And I'm guessing you would just pair it up through Bluetooth. It's pretty good. Then we have our, what is that? I think we push, or we pull this out. Let's see. Oh, here we go. We pull this out. And then, how do we open this up? Let's see. When the button to the tripod to the ground, the three legs will pop open. So once we, oh, look at that. So if we put it down to the ground, so like here, I'll show you. So there it's closed up. Let's pretend this is the ground. If I push it down on the ground, the tripod opens up. So now we have it as a tripod. And then we can put our phone into it like this. So if we had our little phone there, yeah, you can see it. And then we can aim it down. So if we were doing some handwork or something like that, we could aim it down at our hands, or we could aim it up, or we could do it vertical, whatever. And then, so we have all our different options on that. And then we can do it here. I'll show you how big this thing gets. I think it gets like 4 or 5 feet. So yeah, it's like, oh man, it's like 6 feet. So, okay. So this is it now. I'm about 5'10". So this is 5'9" or so, or 8. So there we go. So that'll make it nice and tall. So I could set it up over there and I could be videoing myself. How cool. And then when I am done, I can just fold it back up like this. Fold this up. This here just snaps closed, I guess. Yep. And then slide it in, and then watch what happens here at the end here at this part here, because this is where the clip is, for the thing, it just goes right down in there. So how cool is that? And then you just take this. This is the whole tripod right there. Awesome. This is so cool. This will be my new outdoor tripod for sure. Whenever I do any videos that I have to do on the road or on the run, or when I'm doing in my car or anything like that, this is going to be great. So super cool tripod, or you could even use it as a huge long selfie stick, I imagine. Woo, holy macro. So really cool. I like it. Thumbs up.